So welcome back. In this lecture we will start creating our first project. Okay, so assume these are already pre-existed in my previous lectures, these 4 sections. So forget about them. I am in your screen. So once you have downloaded Eclipse, open it from SDK. Remember, where do you have your Eclipse SDK? So go to the bundle where you have downloaded, and here click on this Eclipse folder and open this. So then editor will get opened with a blank white screen. Here right click on this space, new Java project. Okay, so once again I'm telling, right click, new Java project. This will open a window saying create a new Java project. So project name, introduction, and anything you can give the project name here. Yeah, click on finish. You can see that introduction project is created. So what all you did is right click, new Java project, you enter the project name and click on finish. That's all. Now so project is created. Now you need to import Selenium jars as well as Appium jars into this project. Okay, so now how you will import those jars into this project? So very simple, right click on this introduction project, go to the properties, the last one, and okay, after right click on the properties option. So you will get a window like this, properties for introduction. Click on this add external jars, click on this button and it will open you the stuff. Yeah, here it is, Selenium jars. This is Java client 2.1 is Appium jar. Okay, now first import Appium jar. Done. After clicking on open, this is reflecting here. Fine. So now next you need to import other jars, Selenium jars now. So again add external jars, open the Selenium, click open the Selenium folder. You have these 2 jars, copy them and import, open it, it will come here, and again click on add external jars. So now you imported these 2 jars, right? But there is some other folder called libs here. Open even that too. You will find again some more jars. Control A, click on all the jars, open, and finally click on OK. That's all. So what all you did is imported your jars into the project. It's very simple. Right click, properties, Java build path, and see wherever you have placed it in your machine, get it here. That's all. So that means now whatever code you write in your project, the code what you are writing takes the things from the jars and it understands that Appium and Selenium steps, whatever you write. So whatever steps you write related to Appium and Selenium, it won't throw you any error because that related jars were imported into this project. If you simply create a project and then start writing the code, definitely it throws error because the steps what you write, it cannot understand what exactly you are writing and what jars it actually looking for. So that's the reason you need to import these 2 jars into your project. So what all we did here, continuation to our installation guide, created a project, imported Selenium and Appium jar file into a project. That's all. So everything is done. Even Appium configuration is also done. So what we learned from the last 3 lectures? Step 1, we have downloaded Android SDK into our machine and we have opened Eclipse successfully from that Android package, this editor. Thereafter we set our environmental variables path, one Android home variable, we created Android home variable into environmental variable path, and platform tools and tools. These two paths also we picked up and placed it in path variable of environmental settings. Those three we have done so that our system understand where exactly Android lies. That's done. The next part is we have downloaded Appium server into our machine and we unzipped it, and also we have downloaded Appium jars and Selenium jars. One part. Now we have opened Eclipse, created a project, and then imported Appium jar as well as Selenium jar into the project. Okay, that's complete our configuration of Appium. So this is a big story. So this is really a typical complicated installing and configuring. So everyone want to learn Appium. I have seen many blogs and posts, but people stucking at this installation part. This is really somewhat headache. But still you might face some issues in the future. I'll let you know what are those tweaks you need to do to handle that. Okay, so don't confuse between Appium server and Appium jar. We have downloaded two things. Remember, first is Appium server. This is Appium server, and next is Appium jars, which we imported here. Both are different. Okay, don't confuse in that. So with this, we completed our installation part, and from next section, we freshly start our day 1 program of Appium. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you.